a damn camera right in front of me, and I just recorded a whole session. Well, I just didn't record a whole session, and I have no idea what you missed. Hate when that happens. Oh well. Fat, dumb, and stupid's no way to go through life, son. Trust me on that one. Fat, lazy, and stupid, I guess is one. So yeah, beautiful day. Going to be in the 70s. It's only about 60 now, but feels a bit warmer. It actually says it's probably about 64. So yeah. Other than the occasional pocket of cold air, it feels pretty good out here, so I had to take 2 tries to get the trip going, because get out the door and down the hill, and it's like, ah crap, I forgot a bunch of stuff, so turned around, went back. Plus schedule error, because I was already overheating just driving down the hill. Might have wanted to bring that extra layer with me just in case, but as I said, it's going up and up. It's supposed to be in the high 70s by afternoon, so I think we'll survive. Got my gloves in the trunk just in case I need them. So, I was going to go up and see Bebby and Bumpa. Stop in, say hi, and shoot the breeze for a couple hours, but they got other plans. So, yeah, today's supposed to be the last warm day, and it's supposed to be highs in the 50s tomorrow. I wasn't going to spend the night. I was just going to do a drive-by and get home. Plus, I got to be home by 6 because we're taking my cousin out to dinner. So, got to figure out another route, but we'll have some fun. Just riding along. Well, the bikers get smiles on their faces now. Warm weather. Springtime is here, but it's funny, last weekend, it was only going to be in the 50s, and a while before I felt great. But the thing is, 50s feel beautiful when it's been in the 30s. Don't feel so good after you've been out in the 70s for a couple days in a row. The old body's going, what the hell, dude? Cold, warm, cold, warm. It just ain't right. We'll grab this glorious day while we can, and go for a ride tomorrow. Probably be a little one, but we'll see. Be kind of cool to get 6 days in a row, but that will all be weather dependent, and I'll have a couple excuses ready. It's too cold. Wussy, get your ass out of the chair. The Masters is on. Well, okay, that only happens once a year. Have a cocktail. Oh. Thought about going the route of getting one of those 360-degree cameras, but 2 things. They don't sync up with my main camera. No, actually there's 3 things. 1, I can't sync it to my main camera the way I can multiple cameras. Number 2, I don't really like the distortion that the 360 puts in the views. I don't know. Yeah, you can get some cool shots with it and get some things that you might miss with just 2 cameras like this. But damn, there's a pocket of cold air. Holy mother of God. Woo! Oh, it just dropped like 15 degrees. Holy crap. It went from warm to freaking cold just like that. Man, oh man. And that is why I might have should have brought the extra layer, but we'll keep going. It's momentary while I'm by the lake. That's my theory, and I'm sticking to it. But the third reason is I don't know that my computer will process the images. So, in the greater scheme of things, it's better to buy 4 cameras than it is to buy a 360 in the new computer. So, I think once I get the other 2 set up, I think it'll be all right. And most of the time, I'll probably be able to go out with just 2 cameras, but we'll see what happens. Holy God, when you're right by the water, that temperature, it is just biting cold. Wowie. Yeah, God, it's down to 54 degrees. It was almost up to 64, so 10, 12 degrees just like that. It's a cold slap in the face, I tell you. Absolutely cold slap in the face. All right. Oh, even started sprinkling. Uh-huh. All right. Got away from the lake and the temperature's climbing up again, so it's comfortable once again. But oh my God, that was cold. My fingers started hurting. Good old New England weather changes every mile. Every single mile. It's starting to rain. It's actually trying to rain. Just a sheer revolting development. But there's blue skies ahead. So we'll keep going this way. We are supposed to have showers around dinner time, so being New England, dinner time can be any time, I guess. And it's coming right down. That's just wrong. Wrong. Yep, it really wants to rain on me. There's one cloud following me around. Trying to outrun it, but that'd be just the damn time that the police would show up. What are you doing, son? Well, I'm trying to outrun the rain. Good luck with that. Sit here for a few minutes while it dumps on you. Thanks, officer. Man, hope the road gets better than that. That's a rough section right there. Frosticle heavies. Man, that cloud is just chasing me down. There'd be a rainbow somewhere. Had my little Osmo camera out, but seems that the SD card just crapped out on me. Oh well. But this is a pretty cool place to stop. Whenever you come over the cank. That ice flow over there. Beaver Lake, Beaver Pond. Yeah, a little Well, the lake up here in the elevations on the western side of the Kankamangas, even in the summertime, sometimes the parking lot gets crowded, but most people wander off over here and end up over on those rocks and fish and sunbathe and whatnot. On the other side, there's another parking lot. It's a trailhead so that you can climb up Mount Moosilauke over here. And that's part of the Appalachian Trail. So, yeah, a day like this, God, it's so peaceful. You hear an occasional car. You hear the water running. And that's it.